Hi all. Today being the day our constitution was completed being written, and today the preamble was completed. And as I have already discussed in the last year, that today our preamble was written, and as the date is mentioned in the preamble, I am just going to read out the preamble, and after that we will discuss the three cases of public interest litigation. From that we can know that how, being a general citizen, we can help in the process of justice, and by helping the in the process of justice, we can also ensure that our society becomes better day by day. So let us start, and all of us as a citizen, I think we all should remember the preamble, not because it is an introduction to the constitution, but because we all belong to this country, and the constitution is an important part, and as important part is a preamble because it depicts the ideas which were in the mind of the people who has written the constitution, who drafted the constitution, the whole of drafting committee, their thought process, their basic thinking actually, that lies in the preamble. So we must listen to it, we must remember it, and that is the reason why I am trying to recite it once again on this particular day. So here goes the preamble of our constitution. We the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of individual and the unity and integrity of nation, on this 26th November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this constitution. And now the three different cases. Just let me discuss that why I am so much interested in these three cases only of the public interest litigation. It is because that in all these three cases is associated with Article 21 of our Constitution, which talks about right to life and personal liberty. So the first case which I am going to discuss is about Olga Tellis case versus Mumbai Corporation of the year 1985. And you will find that in this Olga Tellis case actually we found that there were people living in poverty, and obviously they required the means of livelihood which were denied to the people, and also the place where to live, that is right to shelter. So I think we must know about these simple things, like people living in dire poverty, or those who are not having proper shelter. That doesn't mean that they don't have right to live. They have got equal right to live in our country, as our constitution suggests it. So you will find that in the Olga Tellis case, the decision or the judgment which was given was for the people of living in dire poverty, and with this it included the right to livelihood and right to shelter under the Article 21, which is actually right to life and personal liberty. Then the next case is Hoysnara Khatun case versus the state of Bihar, that is of 1979. You will find that in this case the person was in the lady was in the jail, and she was not even being given a trial in the court, and that is the saddest part if it happens in a 75 years old democracy. Okay, it is when the media tells that the wheels of constitution hardly moves in India. Here is the case which is actually somewhat makes a positive point to that part. But what I want to tell over here is this was again a public interest litigation, where the lady was given a trial, and the justice was done for the lady, in the favor of the lady, what I meant to say. And is after this case, actually Article 21 also included timely justice is essential, and undue delay in trial process is unconstitutional under the process of law. So we must understand that it is a necessary part, and it is also coming under our fundamental rights of the citizens. And the third case is actually Mathura refinery case, which is related with the Taj Mahal, the discoloration of the Taj Mahal. And this was a very good public interest litigation, which talked about the environmental concerns. And because of the environmental concerns, when our monuments, very old monuments, when they are being destroyed, or when they are not becoming a proper kind of attraction for the tourists, or for general public also, we must be aware, and we must openly talk about it, so that our constitution has got this provision, and we must take care of our monuments equally as we take care of ourselves, or our home, or our other public property like roads or airports, or many other things. So I just want to make the general public aware that we as a public also has this power to put up our voice in the process of justice, so that our society will become a better place to live in. So thank you, Jai Hind, and I hope you all will remember this important day.